Well, thank you for joining my channel again. And look, I found another interesting toy. This is a great looking vehicle. Look at it, a Porsche. It looks very fast. And what it is, it's a Matchbox Action Turbo. And it's got a 2-speed motor. So we're going to test run that and we'll actually see what it does. And yeah, another one over 30 years old. Look at that, 1986. So I'll take it out and let's see what it does. We'll give it a test run and let's see what this toy is all about. So what you do with this one is you roll this one back. It's nearly like a pullback. You can hear it, and it'll click in. Okay, it's there, and it'll stay there. And then what I'm going to do is I'll push it, and it goes slowly, and then all of a sudden it takes off into the second speed. So let's give it a demo.